Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Ring camera not connecting to 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Trying to reconnect your Ring camera to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, but it just won't cooperate. Before assuming something is broken, the first thing to check is whether your specific Ring camera model actually supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Some older or entry-level Ring cameras only support 2.4 GHz, and if that's the case, you'll need to connect them to your router's 2.4 GHz network, since this is a hardware limitation and not a fault. You can check compatibility in the Ring app, the user manual, or on Ring's support website. If your camera does support 5 GHz, another thing to try is separating your Wi-Fi bands if your router combines both frequencies under the same network name. Giving the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks different names makes it easier to connect to the correct one. You can also open the Ring app, select your camera, go to Device Health, and use the Reconnect option to set up the Wi-Fi connection again. Since 5 GHz provide faster speeds but has a shorter range, signal strength can also be an issue. Try moving the camera closer to the router or relocating the router to improve coverage. In some situations, especially for outdoor cameras located far away, the 2.4 GHz band may actually provide a more stable connection. Finally, restart both the camera and the router. You can reboot the camera from the device health section in the Ring app, and for the router, simply unplug it for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. In many cases, the issue turns out to be weak signal strength rather than a problem with the camera itself. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.